Hey everyone, Pete here to show you how to put together the new BOTO folding kayak. So first, we're going to start by releasing the Velcro strap here and folding out the kayak. We're going to set the seat cage off to the side. We're going to need that again in a few minutes. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and release all of these side levers, all 4 of them around the boat. Once those are all loose, you're going to start with the bow and the stern of the kayak. Undo your Velcro strap, bring these together, come around over here, place it through the strap here, and secure that. Make sure this piece is pointed out and bring this together. Insert into the slot here and make sure that the pin on the lever goes into the little hole right there. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the boat. Bring this together. Insert into the tab and secure. Now let's come around. Fold the bow together in the same fashion. Inserting the pin into the hole. Now we're going to start on the side levers. Everything should be pretty much good and well lined up now. So all you're doing is inserting into the hole, moving that over, and then making sure again the pin is inserted into the hole. We'll do the same thing over here. Insert into the tab, pop it together into the hole, and then we're just going to do the other side now. Then one more to go. And that's it. The actual kayak is assembled. Now we're going to put the seat cage in. Open this up. Align the seat back. Now come in here. You'll see these pegs. We're going to line the pipe up with the pegs inside the kayak. Now the last part, and all you have left to do, is attach into these clips. And that's it. You've got a kayak. All right, for those of you that got the attachable skeg add-on, I'm going to show you how to put that in now while the boat's assembled. Really easy. You're going to unvelcro this piece, following the arrow, slide it in, slide the Velcro through, back through the tab, re-secure it, and that's it. All right, now we're going to roll it back up, and to do that, we're basically just going to do everything in reverse. So first, we're going to remove the seat cage, roll that back, fold it down, and then set this to the side. We're going to need it again in a minute, and then we're going to undo all of the Velcro and latches. So I remove the Velcro here. I fold it back up just to keep it out of the way while I'm rolling it. Only thing to point out here is to make sure that you re-secure these to the other side like they were set up when you started to put it together, just to keep them out of your way when you're rolling the kayak back up. Doesn't really matter what order you do this in. Now that we're back down flat, you're going to start at the front of the boat. You'll know which side is which because those white nubs will be pointing at you. So start folding and pulling it towards you. For this fold, it's going to sit in somewhat of a triangular pattern. Just make sure you're lined up on this side of the line. For this fold, you want to pull it back and make sure that the levers are on this side of the line. Take your Velcro strap, fuzzy side down. Cinch that up nice and tight. Then we take our seat cage, set it back inside the kayak. And that's it. Good to go.